It's another beautiful day down here at Haulover Inlet. Well, maybe it's a little overcast and maybe it's not quite so beautiful, but it is another fun day down here at the inlet. Welcome back, guys. It is your boy Broncos Guru along with our boy Wavy Boats down at the inlet getting the images, and it's this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. Before we get this week's episode started, we got a few things to go over and some exciting news. The exciting news is we are starting a new channel called Miami Boat Ramps. That channel is going to be dedicated to all the craziness that is the boat ramps down in Miami. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can head over there and subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. The first video will air on Friday, and we're going to do some giveaways over there on that Friday video, so you want to be alerted when it's ready to go. But let's go ahead and get this battle down at Haulover started. Our first boater to do battle with Haulover Inlet this week is going to show us what it's like when you come through Haulover cruising. One problem is here is they're cruising without life jackets. This is one of the stupidest things I've ever seen. These kids could easily get tossed from this vessel. You've got water and everything spraying everywhere. It's going to make the handrails a little slick, and these kids could get hurt. Even though they do make it through safely, we give this round to Haulover because we never give these rounds to people who come through with kids in the bow with no life jackets on. It's not always only large waves our contestants have to deal with at Haulover. We got some rather large motor yachts that come rolling through here, and they throw up some massive wake, as can be seen here. I do believe this is a Midnight Express rolling through, and they seem to handle it with no problem, but I see a lot of people get caught up in these large boat wakes sometimes, and it can be worse than some of the things that happen when they get caught up in the washing machine at Haulover. But I'll tell you what, this boat handled it pretty good. We're going to give the second round to the boats. Lots of people when they head out boating want to get a little water time in. Of course, if you're going to get out there, you want to get a little wet, but typically you want to get wet outside of the boat and not inside of the boat, kind of like we're going to see this Carvel do right here. These guys are coming out of Haulover and they got entirely too much weight in the bow, which is going to cause them to stuff the bow and let everybody get a little wet. But one of the funniest parts of this video clip right here is watch my man standing up right behind the windshield. He starts getting a little mad because everybody's asking them to turn around, and obviously he wants to continue on out. I don't know if there's a party he wants to go to or what's going on, but this captain's turning around and my man is infuriated that they are not continuing on their path. Can't really argue with the captain on this one, but we're going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover. Our next boat's not going to have this water problem our last boat had. In fact, they're going to come through Haulover crushing it. We get to see boats come through here all the time that do this, like this Boston Whaler right here, who's basically just going to come through and manhandle Haulover. Haulover doesn't stand a chance. It's not rolling very heavy this day, but this Boston Whaler is just a massive boat, and it just basically plows its way into Haulover. And of course, we're going to go ahead and give this round to the boats for that effort. And that's going to leave us tied up at 2 apiece here in the fourth round. As we head into our fifth and final round, let's see who will take the win this week. Will it be the boats or will it be Haulover Inlet? But Haulover's got an issue because we got a guy out here giving lessons. My man is absolutely slaying Haulover in this Hell's Bay. He is coming in throttle down, no jokes about it. He's just coming out here hauling tail. Oh, we lost the hat. Haulover might get the last second shot. Could Haulover swallow the hat before they get back to it? This could be super disappointing and a major upset if he winds up losing because they can't recover this hat. He came through there so fast and so strong that there's no way he should lose this round. Yet Haulover somehow threw the Hail Mary and was able to get the hat knocked off, but they are heading back and it does appear that they see it, so they may get lucky on this one. They're going to pull out the secret weapon, it looks like here. Do we got a hook? Yes, we do. Can they get it? How will this one end? Will it be Haulover the boats? And it looks like it's going to be the boats this week. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other 3 channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And we also have Miami Boat Ramps, where it's going to be all the fun-loving events that occur at the boat ramps down in Miami. Once again, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you guys to go check out the new channel. Be sure to go over there, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when that video airs on Friday. We are definitely giving away at least a Drain Plug Mafia tumbler. I believe Wavy Boats is also going to give away a hoodie over there on that Friday video as well, so be sure to check it out. Head over there now and subscribe.